Hi friends, this is Dr. Anjali from Best Laser Dental Clinic and Implant Center. Today we got Mr. Michael Chong. He's basically from Malaysia, 76 years old, and now he's settled in Australia. So he has come all the way from Australia for his dental treatment. His teeth were all very badly damaged. We removed all his teeth under local anesthesia and we had placed almost 18 implants, 10 implants in the upper jaw and 8 implants in the lower jaw, and we gave him full set of 24 teeth, and he's doing extremely well. Let us know his experience in our clinic.
Oh, my name is Michael. I come all the way from Australia to find a best implant clinic. So I managed to find one, and I did my first treatment 2.5 years ago, and I had a 18 implant fitted. But now I come for my second appointment, which have a ceramic full implant fitted. All right, fitted on.
Ceramic bridge.
Yeah, ceramic bridge fitted in it, and I'm very pleased with it, and I have been trying it and biting it, and I feel very comfy with it, and I'm very pleased on it, and my facial has already lifted since I put my ceramic teeth in it. Okay, I fully recommend here because it's so expertise and careful with all the works they done on my treatment. Is it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
So
Yeah,
what was the feedback? Because he came to our clinic along with his friend, Mr. James, and he started feeling jealous about your teeth, right?
Okay, you're right. That's correct.
He's 76 years old, but the feedback that he got immediately after getting his permanent ceramic teeth fixed is that he's looking 10 years younger.
Yeah, I got everybody asking me about my teeth. It looks very nice and very set up beautifully. I'm very pleased with it.
Yeah. So just show your beautiful smile. Yeah. And did you try chewing food?
Yes, I did. I tried my peanuts that I love. Okay. And it was, beautifully sort of crack on it, and I feel nothing. It feels so good. Okay. Yes, I'm very pleased with it.
Okay. Yeah. And when the implants were placed in your initial visit 2.5 years back, I guess around 2019, when the implants were placed, so how was the procedure done? It was done under local anesthesia. So was it painful, and how comfortable were you?
I would say I'm the person who are very afraid of pain, and I really scared. And after I done my implant, I don't feel anything. It was good. I feel very good. And it's just a bit of swelling up and down, and it clear up quite easily after 2 or 3 days. That's good. Yeah.
So in your initial visit, it took almost 5 to 6 days. We placed the implant and we gave you provisional teeth on the 4th day.
Yep.
And you started chewing immediately from the 4th day onwards.
Yep.
So you were having this provisional teeth for almost 2.5 years.
Yes, that's right.
And how was your chewing with the provisional teeth?
With my provisional teeth, my chewing is okay, but then after about 1.5 years, and it start cracking up. And I think that the acrylics that they put on is all start cracking up because according to them, it only can last for 1 year. But then because of the pandemic lockdown, I was unable to, fly back here to repeat, to finish my treatment. Yes. But now I have done it. I feel very confident with my new teeth, and I can bite very well with my new teeth. I've tried it, with all the hard food that I had this couple of days, and it was good.
Okay.
It was good. Very good.
What is your favorite food in our country? What did you try having? What did you like?
I like the peanuts and all this, and I like the hard things like muttons and then the dosa, the masala dosa, that was good. Okay. And then the paratha and all this, it's very good.
So you tried
like
having
it.
all
Yeah, I
these.
try all this already, and some of them are very good.
Okay.
You know, some places are good restaurants here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And in what way it was comfortable for you traveling to India, because we provided you the visa letter for your travel to India, right? Was
Yeah.
it helpful?
Yeah, it's very helpful. I just apply and I got it very easily without any question asked.
Yes.
You know, and then you help me, you know, with the transport coming here,
Yes.
and I feel, you know, very safe,
Yes.
you know, and relaxed, you know, because you know everything has been taken care of, and it's good. Yeah.
So that is what I would like to tell you all. Those who are traveling from abroad, like from different countries to India, you need not worry and you need not feel strange. We are all here to take care of you. The only one thing that we can really help you is when you are about to book your tickets and you wanted to get your dental treatment at the earliest, definitely we can help you with visa letter from our clinic side, and that letter will speed up your visa process and you can come back to us as early as possible. This definitely we can do it for you. And when you book your tickets, your flight timings will be different. You will be landing in Chennai like late nights also, so you will be wondering how you will reach your hotel. So don't worry about that. Our staff, our clinic staff is always there to help you and support you. Once you book your flight tickets, you can just send a copy of your flight ticket to our mail ID or our WhatsApp number that already doctors were in communication with you, and that will be sent to our staff, and our staff will be at the airport at the time of your arrival, and we will drop you safely at your hotel. So you need not worry about the timings that you will be landing in Chennai. We are there to support you and take care of you. And in which hotel you were staying now?
Now I'm staying at Jaya Residence.
Jaya Residence.
Yes.
So is it comfortable, neat
Yes, it's a very good hotel and very clean.
Okay.
And it's comfortable. It's and very good location as well. You know, you can either walk here or take a taxi. That won't cost a lot.
Okay.
You know.
Okay. So there are many close hotels. Hotels very close to the clinic. Starting from economical budget hotels to 5-star hotels, very closely put up to the clinic. So if you want to get any help from us regarding your stay, we can definitely help you out. There are many hotels close to our clinic and we can guide you with the hotels also. And where Michael was staying was Jaya Residence, which is very close, I think around 2 kilometers to 3 kilometers.
Yeah, right? about I think by taxi is only about 10 minutes, 5 minutes drive, that's all.
So you get cab or auto at the earliest, and you can reach the clinic very soon. So all that will guide you when you try to reach us. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.